What is bootstrap sampling in statistics and machine learning? It is basically resampling technique. Whenever we have small sample and we do not know the underlying distribution of the population, we go for bootstrap sampling to find the estimator that are close to the population parameter. We cannot construct confidence interval if we don't know the underlying distribution of the population. In statistics, bootstrap sampling is a method that involves drawing of sample data repeatedly with replacement from a data source. So actually we have given a sample from the population, and what we do, we pick a sample from this given sample and find the mean, whatever estimator we want to find from this sample which we have drawn from the given sample, and then we keep on repeating this method. So this is called bootstrap sampling. Let's see how to use this using Excel. This is the given sample from the population, and it's a small sample. We have selected it and has given the name sample. Now we will pick one number from this sample randomly using this formula. So this is the first number which is picked from this sample randomly. Now we are going to select a sample of size 10, the first sample of size 10, and then we select such 200 samples. Now we have selected 200 sample of size 10. We are going to find the average of the first sample of size 10. Enter, and then drag it to the up to 200. Similar way, we will find the standard deviation of first sample of size 10. Enter, and then drag it up to 200 with using the double click. Here you can see the maximum mean is 78 and the minimum is 18. By looking at the maximum and minimum, I have drawn these values of mean. Now I will find the frequency of these mean column. So let's select this, comma, and then select these bin values, and then close the bracket, and then select this whole one, Control Shift and enter. So this is our frequency distribution. Now we are going to plot this frequency distribution. Select this, insert, and this is the frequency distribution of bootstrap sample mean. So when the underlying distribution is it's not known, or it is very difficult to find the estimator, so bootstrapping is a wonderful tool for us.